Welcome to SolidCAM World 2018.
I'm really happy to see all of you here. It's just a very, very nice opportunity to meet everybody.
How much? 1 minute, 13 seconds to 9 seconds.
There is no more further thinking person in CAM than Emil Somak.
We welcome new resellers, new people, and it's just this family feeling that we have here. This is very, very good.
And what I really think is important, that the SolidCAM team is open.
The relationship is special, so without the relationship we wouldn't be partners.
Enjoy the place. I do.
And if you have this family support, you know that you are not alone. You are not someone, just one guy in front of the customer.
Good team spirit, and it's the same like SolidCAM generally around the world. It's a great team.
We had achieved a surface quality that was much better than Hypermill. In fact, the customer was very surprised.
SolidCAM, time for Swiss type.
And I was thinking, really, Swiss types machines are made in Switzerland. But no, it isn't made in Switzerland.
We have eye machining and we have advanced mill turn. Now you have two weapons in your hand, not only one weapon. Yeah?
That's power. You know why that's power? Because the competition can't do that, and they don't do that. And that's the key to success, is doing things that your competition can't.
First award is for the best sales in 2017. I want to invite both DPS Germany and Tekias from Turkey, selling $1 million in 2017.